Okay.
And that's like,
I like this one.
yeah, you get a lot more depth out of this for sure.
It's much brighter.
Yeah, let Paul criticize it.
Didn't even see you there.
Dude, hey man.
Nice shirt.
Hey, you too.
Are we pulling races or anything? Or is there anyone in there?
Pull for the neck?
Yeah.
Pull.
You got there.
I got you.
No way, no way.
Red Bagger Nation shirt. Follow me to the game bar. Come on, you.
Oh boy.
That thing.
Follow me.
Oh,
to the game
goodness. Look at that shit.
bar. Look at the way it fits too. Really?
Days are getting shorter.
Yep. Just smooth that a little
Skimmed
bit.
out,
Stuff. Yep.
yep.
Perfect. Stop it. All right, that's a good way. Got it? Yep.
I don't know, they don't weigh anything.
They actually do weigh something. Especially this one because it's been stretched. What's that?
It's a full-size bag or what?
Use it like an
hilt gets even.
Is this where you wanted it? Right?
I'm just putting it there, then he'll tell us what to do. And we ripped it when he was 18 years old, and we ripped it to Sturgis. And now he's just, then he went into the service, he just retired from the Navy. So now we're going to redo the bike again, and we're doing the Sturgis trip again.
So this thing's already seen some use, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this bike's been fully customized 3 times. This is the
Yeah.
3rd time.
Clean.
This is the 3rd time. This time they had Daytech actually stretched it.
Yeah, looks
Yeah, stretched the frame. What's up,
Yeah.
man?
Is this anything like you remember?
Go look in the. You know, I should have bought a little sample, but it looks exactly right.
Okay.
I mean, it looks awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like the level of glitter in it and stuff? I think it's great.
I think it's cool.
I think
Right,
it's really
yeah,
cool.
that's probably right in between. We could go a little less coarse on the
Do you
towel.
have a couple of this right on your hand that we can look at, or?
Yes, I can go through. So all this stuff, like the illusion colors. Paul, have you guys ever done any illusion colors on these?
No.
Okay.
What does that mean?
He's gonna tell me.
Oh, yeah.
He wants that metallic in there, but if you want more of that reflectiveness, you're gonna have to do chrome. I think you guys are after the silver.
So yeah, I don't think we want to do something as translucent as, let's say, like the blue wheels.
Okay.
That'd be too smooth because it's paint. We're gonna put some leaf graphics on this.
Okay.
It's gonna
Yeah,
have
that-
some,
no,
so
that
not
would
not over your stuff, but on the bodywork.
That
So
would be
Yeah.
yeah, so yeah,
Yeah, I think that's nice.
yeah.
And that's like,
I like this one.
yeah, you get a lot more depth out of this for sure.
It's much brighter.
Yeah, let Paul criticize it.
Yeah.
Nobody ever accused me of being persnickety.
What are you thinking right now?
Well, I like to look at it in the sun, and then I like to take it out of the sun.
It's.
See how my, so this is gonna be, so see,
Yeah.
see what I'm doing here?
Yeah,
So
totally.
this is gonna look darker out of the light.
Yeah.
So, like this would be an illusion red right here, Paul. So, the benefit to this is silver,
Right.
candy, and then clear.
Right.
This is base clear.
Okay.
Okay. So, just like paint, you know, you can get a tri-stage or you can get a base clear.
Right.
Illusion red, we can do illusion cherry, we could do illusion ruby.
So to me, so now when you see all 3 of these, see the
No,
contrast?
I'm doing it all right.
And then as I take it out of the sun, you can see how much
Yeah.
effect the pearl
Yeah.
has on this.
Sure.
Because you almost lose it when
Yeah.
you know when you lose it when you get out of the sun. So
Kind of cool though.
And like I said, we could go down on the grit or we could go up on the grit on the
So,
metallic, but I think that's right in the middle. For
I'll
sure.
tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to say yes on this. I'm telling you, actually, really consider doing this for a living.
Yeah, I know. I hired a professional and it makes me look good.
It does. I'll push this out. I don't know where you want it all. Saddlebags,
I
fenders,
can fold the table and put the table there.
whatever you want to do. Vroom, vroom. No. Just don't put it. Yes, you don't need to go crazy. Easy, easy. Thank you, sir. Everything looks great.
What's that for? It's a rubber piece.
To get it in there.
But why is it in there?
Why is it? Why is it there at all?
Yeah.
Because when the brake
It's the rubber. Oh.
yeah, it keeps the bracket tight
Got
so
it.
it doesn't rattle.
Got it.
Yeah. I'm sure you understand the concept of lube fitting into tight orifices.
No, I did not.
Nope, never experienced that?
Nope.
No.
Nope. I'm only in.
Well,
nope.
I'll explain it to you.
Paul, stop.
I'll give you a demonstration.
Paul.
The sun hits it. All right, straight in. Here we go. Just grab that other box. We'll set it back here. I'll get you set up with taps and we'll get you. Build the swing arm. I'm going to have you replace these neck races. There's a few things we got to clean out, some clearances and stuff. I'll show you what to do. You got plenty to tinker with for a bit. Keep you out of trouble.
That sounds good.
Same color as Mike's bike. Yeah. But Mike went with a polished aluminum base. He went with a glitter.
Yeah,
with a
just
fine,
a little bit more.
fine glitter base. Yep. One more.
Half a hit. All the fun shit. Okay. See the hammer.
We had a driver. Somebody had like somebody that pulled it.
We're taking them out.
Oh. So they got right then?
Yeah, but for installation. Hold on, let me look at it. Yeah. Send it home, buddy. That's it.
Easy.
Why wouldn't you? Double tape everything. That's Joe with his rolls in.
That's it. You already tried that one out? Don't cut yourself. I don't want to get in a fight with your mom.
Oh! You!
No, no.
That'll be enough. Yeah. Okay. Give her one stroke there. Just let me see what this does. Okay.
Oh yeah, right in the money.
Squared right up. Yeah, because it's not in very far.
Alright, There it is.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, so go ahead, hoist. Okay, you want to pull the motor mount out? Stand. Got it, Roger? Come on over here. Come on over here. Put it right in here. And set it right down like that. Now, just be careful coming in. Okay. And we're gonna go. Do you want to try to final those bolts?
What about
or-
this right here?
Final what bolts? No, I'm not going that low. Okay. Don't you worry about that. Come back a little bit. Oh, this.
Say probably come up with something. Probably look this good.
Yeah.
Because it was polished before.
It was cool, but it
Yeah.
didn't have a full, like the drivetrain wasn't done completely.
Well, the training case was never done.
the training case was
Yeah.
never done.
What we're going to do is take this fender, we're going to split it, we're going to widen it probably half an inch.
Yeah.
And then we have to make it fit, and then we have to repaint. So we got plenty of time.
I mean, honestly, it's gonna look better anyways.
It's going to look exactly the same. You won't even notice. Yeah, you won't even notice. But you know, so I'm glad. It makes me really glad I copied that fender because otherwise, we, yeah. So I'm very glad that I took a splash off that fender. So we should do that probably as soon as we get back next week. The new rim is wider, so. Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
Your top spacers are probably at least a week away. If we're lucky, we'll get them next week.
Anodizer.
If not, it'll be the week after, which is timeline is fine. What I want to do now is I want to get the stuff into the primary. I want to get the primary on, and I want to get your coil cover and your mount.
First,
If you're back on the first, then there's 27 days till we leave. So, yeah. So, there's a lot to do. So when I asked Hector for first, I asked him for the inner saddlebags, because then if I can get the strut out of Bradley, then I can put those on. I can drill the holes. I can put the lights in. I can wire all this. So I want to get all the wiring.
Yeah.
So that's where my head's at. Once the wiring's done, everything's bolted.
Yeah.
We do need to make a decision next week before you leave about your hand controls.